Right, so in welcome to today's video. In the previous video, we looked at equivalent areas. How do we, specifically, we looked at how we draw a square that is equal in area to a given triangle. In today's video, we will be looking at intersection of solids, specifically two pipes of different diameters meeting at right angles. So the topic is intersection of solids. So the question is, figure 1 shows the incomplete front elevation and plan of two pipes of different diameters that intersect, right? Draw the given view showing the line of intersection for the two pipes. The line of intersection for the two pipes in this drawing, can you guess which view or views would have them? Pause the video and then you come back. All right, welcome back. The line of intersection will be shown in this drawing on the front elevation, which is this in pipe A, right? Okay, so we're gonna plot the points now. So we have here is one. So the question is on the left, the solution is on the right. So we're going to plot this point now. Can you see? Good. So we're going to plot the points. So we have one. Here's one coming down. I'm going to plot it, okay? All right, so the first step is to draw the two pipes A and B. So you're going to draw the plan and the front elevation based on the measurements that are given, the dimensions that are given, okay? After you have drawn the front elevation and plan for the T-joint, what you're going to do, you're going to divide cylinder B, which is this figure here. You're going to draw the semicircle at the end in both the front and the plan. All right, so there we have the semicircle that we drew at for the pipe B in both the front and the plan. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to divide the semicircle into 6 equal parts. All right, so there we have divided the semicircle for the end of pipe B for both the front and the plan for the pipe B as I indicated. The next thing you're going to do now, you're going to draw lines from these intersecting points. All right, so let's do that. So we're going to go line there to the undo. So we're going to go line, enter. I'm going to go line, enter. All right, so here we have it in the plan. We're going to do it the same thing below now. So we'll go line. These are construction lines. All right, so here we have the points in the front and the plan, right? So the plan is above and the front elevation is below. What we're gonna do now, where these points intersect the cylinder in the plan coming across from pipe B, we're gonna project them down. All right, so there we have the construction lines coming down from the plan, which is above, right? All right, so we're required to draw the curve of intersection that is formed, right? So having done the construction, which I showed you, the next step now is to plot the points, okay? So we go there, there, there. Go there, there, there. Enter. And the line of intersection that is formed when pipe B intersects pipe A, the larger pipe, at 90 degrees. This will be the line of intersection that is formed. Okay? Are there any questions? Good job if you got got the drawing correct. And thanks for doing the drawing. So on the screen we have the front elevation where you see the label A and B. That's the front elevation, and we have the plan, right? On the left, as I said before, that's a given question, right? And here is the solution on the right, right? So we have the front elevation showing the line of intersection and the plan. Good. So that after you have drawn the given question, and this is what the final solution would look like. So that brings us to the end of today's video. The topic was intersection of solids. Um, Let me know your thoughts. Was the video helpful to you? Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. In the next video, we'll be looking at the perspective drawing. All right. So looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.